Welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to give you Startimes Kenya number. So if you are in Kenya and you want to activate a new Startimes decoder, or you're having a problem on your Startimes and you would like to contact them for help, the number will be on your screen shortly, but for you to check it from the menu, all you got to do is to pick up your Startimes remote. You press on the menu button, which is the N button on your remote, and from the menu search from the list and put it on self-service and press OK on it. So on the self-service page, you come down to the contact us and you press OK on the contact us. So you have the numbers listed over here. So you have every country flag being attached to its number. So you search from the list the Kenya number, which begins with 0719077077, and we have other number over there. The number will be highlighted on your screen, so you pick it and then you call for help. So that's it. If you find this video helpful and you're new here, all you got to do is subscribe, you hit the bell icon, and you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.